Imagine that you have got a use case where you want to allocate the values throughout all the periods except for a couple of them, where you do not want the allocation to be impacted. This is called as selective allocation. And you don't have to write any complex DAX queries or perform any coding or programming exercise to achieve this. InfoRiver writeback matrix provides you this feature directly on the front end. So let's take a look at this example. We have got the report with product family and product name in the row dimension. In the columns, we've got quarter and month as timescales, and we've got our DAX measure 2024 revenue actuals. I'll slide this visualizations pane in, and we'll first get the totals, place it on the left, go to quick format, have auto scaling. Now quickly create a data input measure. It's kind of very easy to explain these features using data input measures because allocation happens when you make changes with an input measure. And now let's call it 2025 revenue plan. Now we're going to hide the DAX measure. And let's say that we want to have the changes made at the top level, which is grand total, and the values should be allocated to Q1 and Q2 and Q4, but not Q3, right? So all we can do is select the total value of Q3, click the distribute or allocation icon, and then we've got something called as lock this cell. If I want to also lock all the children, I can do that. But right now we are doing it at the top level. So we do not need to follow the lock all children option since this is a parent hierarchy here. And we'll just lock it. Now, if I make any changes, let's say I add 5 millions here, you will see that Q1, Q2, and Q4 have the changes propagated and accepted. But the numbers did not get allocated to Q3 at all. Now let's spread one of the months in quarter four. And this time we will lock electronics, and let's lock personal care. Now let's make some changes with the grand total. You will see that the values are propagated to Q1, Q2, Q4, but within Q4 we have got October and December values accepted by the allocation. In November we have respected the lock, and rest of the unlocked cells by rows as well as by the parent dimensions of the rows, they have accepted the allocations. See you in the next video.